Hello, good morning.
Hi.
So today is our first full day of exploring Jeju. We've gone to, is it Jimmybon? Jimmybon Hill, just for a bit of a walk. And we're gonna see how we get on. But first, tick spray. Always a disconcerting sign to see. Oh no, there's ticks everywhere.
Ministry of Food and Drug Safety. It was installed to prevent tick-borne diseases, so please use a repellent before climbing or walking.
Okay. So yeah, tick spray. Tick spray. You good?
Yeah. Yes, we're only going to walk
Yeah.
this goes all the way to the beach.
Okay.
But then we have to walk all the way back.
Cool. Don't wear high heels because the snakes will get jealous. Is that what that means?
I think so.
Up we go.
So we are walking up to Jimmybon Peak, which is not a long walk, but it is fully steep. You can't really tell how steep it is, and I'm already dying.
We should probably be fine for ticks just because we're on the smaller path, which is an actual like, it's kind of got like cotton underneath it. But yeah, we shall see. Just avoid the grass. I know. We're so used to Malaysia and Thailand at like 35 plus degrees. Oh yeah. You've officially been part of the trail.
Yeah, there's ole trails all over the island. Can't remember how many, but you could basically walk around the entire island if you wanted to.
Cool.
But yeah, this is just a little part of it.
Cool. Can't really tell how steep it is, but it's actually very steep. That is steep. Interesting technique from Alex, but I understand it. It is, I mean, there you go, you can sort of see behind me just how steep it is. Whew. So this is the rock we can see from our roof, which is really pretty. We're about halfway up, we think. What a view! I mean, what a view! It's gorgeous. Sweaty! This is Jeju Island. It's so pretty. Udo Island, and you can kind of see back on ourselves that way, and a very warm Alex. Two secs. Spider. There's so many bugs, it's great. So yeah, that's where everything is. But Whoa.
Yeah, so that was a really nice walk.
Yeah, it was.
Steep, but only like 20 minutes and beautiful views on the trail.
Yeah, it was gorgeous. We got the guy at the top started chatting to us, which was nice. He was telling us that apparently these are all what's called
An aura?
Yeah, so it's like a volcanic kind of
Conical
pile thing. But like on Jeju, there was about like 300 odd, and he gave us his recommendation for the best one.
Yeah, d.n.a, something like that.
So we'll have to see
if we can find that.
Find out where that is and go from there. But we're going to go to the beach now, have a look at that.
Yeah. Because
it's the wind's picking up, and we thought we'd start. There's a chance of it's going to rain later, so we thought we'd start with the stuff that was outside, because then later we're going to go to a cave.
Yeah.
Which is like a lava tube cave, but we'll talk about that after the beach.
Yeah, so we're going to go to Hado Beach now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See what the beach is like. Onwards!
Yeah, so we can walk along the beach.
Hey. Haha. So yeah, I don't know what kind of bugs these are. I'm gonna do some research, but some of them are huge. So that's where we just were. And that is the one that we can see from our accommodation. What a beautiful beach. One thing that Alex and I said, which is kind of interesting, is visually there's so many aspects here that remind us more of like Scotland's beaches, so like the Isle of Skye, places like that, whereas not what we expected, but it is gorgeous. I mean, the water is very blue still, but I don't know if we're gonna go for a dip today. Probably not. Yeah, we'll walk and see what we can find. Alex and I have realized that those two girls have no understanding of how to kayak. So where we had climbed from there, you can actually walk all the way over here on this side, along there. Again, indicated by the ribbons. Huge amount of hiking on Jeju, and in Korea in general. But yeah. And if it wasn't as windy, I'd get my drone up, because there's no sign saying I can't. Hey.
Hey.
So where are we?
We are at Manjangle Cave.
Yes.
Something of that effect. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Yeah.
It's a
Like a
cave that's like a lava tube.
Yeah, so it's when like lava literally burrows its way through the earth and creates a lava tube, so it'll be volcanic rock all the way around it, which will be cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, I need to go get tickets and we'll see what we can find. You see those kind of all over Jeju. Talks about exactly what a lava tube is, the fact there's a bunch around here, and a few other really interesting things. Now we're gonna go
7.4 kilometers long.
Yeah, just like the, I was gonna say flora and fauna, but it's more just, yeah, fauna. Yeah, floor. So up here is 23.6 with 82% humidity. Down there is 13.6 with 99.9% humidity. That's going to be a damp boy. Just the cool entrance. So far, only a few feet in. You won't be able to see loads, but I'm being filmed. But very, very cool. Like, yeah, I know. So that's saying about the lava flow lines. And if I hold still, so those lines are the kind of individual layers of the lava, which is mad. So they're lava stalactites. It's massive. Like,
It's very big.
it doesn't give a sense of scale.
Actually, from behind us.
Definitely come here, it's cool. Yeah, this is the best lit area. But there's a pathway up ahead that we're going to go look at. But definitely worth coming, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice.
Because it wasn't expensive.
No, like £4 each.
So, yeah, so...
Like £2.
Something like that. Yeah, it's really impressive. It's difficult to get a sense of scale on the video, obviously. Just because it's so dark. But yeah.
Yeah, you can see why it's in this
Yeah. It's definitely cool in every sense of the term, because it's like 13 degrees, I think it said.
Yeah.
Lava toe. Lava toe. Lava toe. Lava toe. Lava toe.
No.
Alex and I were saying, in every cave system we've ever been to, normally they use LEDs to light it up in different colours, and it's a bit like, what's the point, just give us a colour. And this one's been fairly tasteful so far, and now we're coming to the end. Let's go have a look there. A lava column, and that is very impressive. Yeah, so broke through the ceiling, pours down, does that.
So there's 7.6 high lava column in.
It's us with the lava column.
The largest lava column in the world.
So as you can see, lava comes through the ceiling, congeals and creates that.
7.6 meters.
Yeah. Definitely walk all the way.
Yeah,
Because
don't turn around and think you've seen it all.
No, because there's literally no one here. It's just us and the lava column. So Alex and I are going to go out and find some dinner.
Elevator.
Yeah, it's a nice evening. Our car. ridiculous sunset. Going? Hey.
That was stunning.
Yeah. Probably.
Happy accident.
I know, right? What do you think? Best sunset so far?
Yeah.
On this trip?
Seeing as we didn't think there was going to be any.
No? Now it's gone. And all the mountains are gone. All the mountains are gone.
Yeah.
But I do have great beaver hair.
Yeah, I worked with him.
Alex and I are trying to find some dinner.
Figure out what things are.
We're gonna go here for dinner. See what we can have. Terrifying. So I got cuttlefish with rice. We also got some kimchi, daikon, salad, fried stuff like that. Alex got pork, but we're gonna share. Yeah. That's where Alex and I went for dinner, and it was really good.
Really good. But looks like a carport from here.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah.
Side street.
Not exploring.
Hello.
Hello. It's going to be windy, so we're going to have to speak up. Yeah, we just had dinner. It was really, really good.
Yeah, delicious.
We had cuttlefish and pork, and
Nice first proper meal in Korea.
Yeah, no, it's been a really good first full day. Yesterday, although we were here pretty much all day, it's the first full day.
Yeah.
We've managed to avoid most of the bad weather as well.
Yeah, not really sure how we've done that.
No. But yeah, it's nice to walk around and have a bit of life and a bit of this style of kind of everything around. So yeah, we're going to call this video here, and we're going to see you tomorrow
See you tomorrow.
for more Jeju.
Yeah.